Okay, ladies, let's be real for a second. Our skin is damaged. I mean, take a look at mine. I have been in the sun. I have sunspots. I have aging skin, fine lines, wrinkles. I deal with cystic breakouts, and I have scarring from those breakouts. Over the past 2 years, I have not been treating my skin and giving it the appropriate skincare. This year, I hope to do better. But when I go out, I still want that flawless face. I want that smooth looking skin. I don't know if you're like me, but give me something that's not heavy, that's not cakey, that's not the wrong shade. Give me something that's healthy for my skin, that's actually going to help my skin heal as I'm using it. I have just the thing for you. It's called Sweet Minerals, and they have this amazing flawless face box that gives you absolutely everything that you need to pull off the no makeup look. And while I'm wearing it, it's doing its due diligence by helping to heal my skin because it's infused with amazing skincare ingredients. So it's going to help with my discoloration. It's going to help to heal my acne and prevent me from actually getting these cystic acne breakouts. I love it. So I'm going to show you what it all comes with and how to apply it. Keep watching. We're starting with a moisture prep. This is a moisturizer, but I use it as a primer. It's going to give you the moisture that your skin needs. You only need a little bit. The box comes with a travel size. Everything else in there is full size. The travel size is going to last you a really long time. It also comes with powder concealer. A little goes a really long way. You can add some of your moisture prep to this to make it more of a cream, but you're just gonna dab where you want to conceal before you add your foundation. You also get the concealer brush, ladies. You can choose between your mineral loose foundation or your liquid foundation. Today I am using the powder foundation. It doesn't come with the brush. If you choose the liquid, you are going to get the blender, beauty blender, you get what I'm saying. If you do the powder, you're going to put a little bit in the top of your cap. Tap your brush in there. This is a Kabuki brush, by the way. Love this thing. And then you're going to tap your brush onto a hard surface so that the powder falls into the brush. It is mineral based, has all of the right ingredients that is actually going to help to heal your skin as you're wearing it, and it leaves you with such a flawless natural finish. It is hypoallergenic. You guys are going to love it. Oh, and did I mention it's water resistant too? You also get your bronzer and your blush and the MultiTasker brush. So you can use this brush for both of these. You can choose your own colors or let the system choose it for you. Sorry, you guys. This is my second time recording this, and I've already finished my full face. But the last thing that you get in the box is called Mineral Veil. Mineral Veil is a setting powder, and what it does, it gives you that final flawless finish. It gives you an added protective layer, and it helps mattify and pull everything together. So how you do this is you just put some of this in your lid, same as you would do your foundation. You're going to use the same, sorry for my dogs, you're going to use the same brush, a Kabuki brush, same thing, tap it. And then you're going to just apply this all over, and it is going to tie your entire look together, give you that matte finish, and leave you with the flawless face. What do you guys think? Crazy dogs.